We escorted the bride here, and the complaint we received from the groom is that the bride we escorted to him is not smiling.
I know you're looking at me, you watch me like TV. You're looking at me 3 times in a row. If you want to say hello, just say hello. I think you look so pretty. You look like super.
Our bride has not started laughing yet. She seems very angry.
And if you don't say hello, I will say hello. Nakupenda, nakupenda. Nakupenda, nakupenda. Oh my baby, so my God. Oh baby, so my God. Oh yeah. Nakupenda, nakupenda.
I mean the year. No, they mix up. I mean be the best.
How will you know that I'm the one for you?
Now, that's your man. Orina Naga, you come to the board woman.
Just say hello.
Just smile. Clap for her husband. Clap for him. Clap for
Kisses. But you're the one I'm feeling. Been looking at you 4 times in a row. I had to let you know.
Bible says he who finds a wife finds a good thing
So I came to
and
say
obtains
hello.
favor from the Lord. The fact that you have found a good thing, the truth of it, let it be tangible, let it be visible, let it be audible, let it make news. In the name of Jesus Christ.
I'll still say hello. Hello. Nakupenda, nakupenda. Nakupenda, nakupenda. Oh my baby, is oh my God. Oh my baby, is oh my God. Nakupenda, nakupenda. Nakupenda, nakupenda. Oh my baby, is oh my God. Baby, is oh my God. Baby, how will you know that I'm the one for you? That you're the one for me?